All right, this is how to connect Claude Code with Google Calendar. It's super simple. So once you sign into your Claude.ai account, just come down here, click on this icon, click on settings, and let's go to connectors. And here where it says Google Calendar, just click on connect. Choose the account that you want to connect to. Continue. And you can select the access. I'll just do select all, click on continue. And then you see your Google Calendar connected with Claude. So now you can just restart Claude Code. I just connected my Google Calendar on Claude.ai account. Can you check that if it's working? And then you should see that Google Calendar is connected and working right inside of Claude Code.